Oh, hey, didn't see you there. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the TJR Auto channel. My lovely name is Tyler, for those who don't know. And in today's video, I don't know, I got nothing, man. I got nothing for you guys. But there's a couple things that I do want to talk about. Number one, you just saw me turn a light switch. I hope you could see that. You probably can't see that from here. Turn a light switch on. Now I have overhead lights in the garage. So before, for anybody who remembers or who's been a long-time viewer, I just had one pull-string LED light. Now I have 3 above me, and I plan on doing more at some point in the near future. These are pretty cheap. They're like 20 bucks from Arbor Freight a piece. So that's nice. I had an old like 8-footer. Yeah, and she's like an 8-footer. Fluorescent bulb style overhead light that was attached to that switch, which died a long time ago. I think the ballast went bad in it. So now we got LEDs wired in nicely, and it's all good. So that's that. So we have light. Another thing I did too was I splurged, and I bought a brand new Harbor Freight Daytona 3-ton low pro jack. So it was something that was much needed for myself, for the channel, for the cars, whatever you want to call it. So it's nice to have that now. And so that's good. I did those 2 things in one day this weekend. Another thing too, bought a new torque wrench. So anybody who was cringing the fact that I used my torque wrench as a breaker bar and as a torque wrench, now I have a torque wrench. And another thing too is I bought a breaker bar. So we're moving places. We're going places, people. We're going for the big shots, you know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So as you guys can tell, I'm stalling dramatically. Yeah, not good. Long story short, I haven't done anything to the cars the past couple days. And my reasoning for that is I am sick. Now, I have been sick for the past couple days. It's been kicking my ass, and the weather also hasn't been the best, so it's not like it's the end of the world. It's not like I've missed out on like a bunch of like really nice days to work on the cars. But in the next couple days, I'm hoping I will be feeling better. And if that's the case, we got a nice day coming up this weekend. Actually, the whole weekend is supposed to be like beautiful weather. So with that being said, I think the GTO will be right there. I think the GTO will be in the garage. I think we can finally fix the power steering leak issue and fluid issue and any of the other problems I can think of while the car is in here. I took a quick look at it the other day, like when I was feeling my shittiest. And I just took a look under it. I started the car and had my girlfriend, Audrey, my lovely lady, had her turn the wheel a couple times while the car was running, and it was just pissing out of there. Honestly, the car sat for like a week. It made it worse. I don't know how, but it's one of those things where it's like, yep, you can't win. So GTO's been sitting in the same spot, unfortunately. I hate seeing the thing sit after all the work we did to it, but at the end of the day, Bonnie has sat for long periods of time, and it has always killed me to see that car sit. So I'm happy to be driving Bonnie. I'm happy to have her on the road, and it's a nice feeling being able to cruise around in her again. So instead of boring you guys with me talking this entire video, the least I can do is show you guys some footage of me. The other day, I took Bonnie out, did a little one of those guys, did some of that stuff. And yeah, sorry, I don't really know what's going on. It's been one of those weeks, man. It's been one of those weeks, and I don't want to let you guys down and not post nothing, but at the same time, a lot of you would probably be happier if I just didn't post instead of posting something like this. But hey, you win some, you lose some. I thought we had a relationship here. Help me. In all seriousness, I do have a couple videos that I guess aren't necessarily anything good. It's not like it's my best driving or anything like crazy that I pulled off driving Bonnie, but I took her to Mexico and had some fun sliding around in the rain one super early morning sometime recently. So yeah, I'll show you guys that footage. kills me at the spot. There's just one spot that's littered with like leaves and stuff, and when it's wet out, it's like ice, right? And I always take that into consideration. I've been driving the same spot for a long time, and you would think by now I would have mastered it, but no, I'm not good enough to master that. So I've had my fun playing around there, but there's just this one spot that I always spin out at when it's super wet and there's leaves on the road like that. Aside from that, if it's just wet or if it's dry, I've had no problems getting past it. So it's just a funny little tidbit I wanted to tell you guys. And another thing too, I do want to put out here, and I don't know if I've said it in any of my other videos, if you guys are anything like me, you like going out, having fun, you know, spinning the tires, whatever, please be careful. Well, guys, folks, ladies, gents, he, she, whatever. This is where I'm going to wrap up today's video. Obviously, we didn't get shit done. Sorry. I'm feeling a little lazy. I'm a little sick. I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to get too close to the camera. I might get you a little sick, but I am just red. I'm raw. I'm not about that life, okay? I'm not about that life. I know today's video wasn't anything special, but I got to show you some footage of the Marquis. You guys got some garage updates, some tool updates, and in my opinion, garage and tool updates are cool. No, I'm not doing it on an Adam LZ or Taylor Ray level where it's like, oh, wow, look at this. Mansion, garage, and 40 car. Yeah, sorry, I'm poor, okay? Let's be real here. I'm poor, so that's you know, it be like that sometimes. You know, I'm the relatable channel compared to a lot of these channels, so you know what I'm saying? But so we're going to wrap up today's video. I'm sniffling. I need to go blow my nose 15 more times and take my medication and all that jazz. So with that being said, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. I don't know if I ever said it, but thank you guys. Beyond thank you for 1,600 plus subscribers now. We're moving fast, and I love it. A little scary, but I do like it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you're subscribed. In other videos, we will actually have good content for those who actually are subscribed and are recurring viewers. You would know that. So make sure you're subbed. Make sure you drop a like and drop some comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Like, do you guys want to see a video talking about all of the cars I've had? I've had 11 cars. We've only had a couple on the channel. So if you guys want to see all the cars I've had, let me know. I would love to make a video talking about all my old cars, digging up all the old videos. I love reminiscing. Reminiscing. You know, stuff like that. You know, 5 reasons why you should buy a GTO or why you shouldn't, or Marquis with the 5-speed swap. I don't know. I think those videos would be fun. Let me know if you guys would want to see that kind of stuff. So that's it. We're done. I'm out. I got to pick up my Arizona bottle because it didn't go as far as I hoped it would. That's it. We're done. We're out. That's it. Nothing else. Out of sight, out of mind. Know what I'm saying? I love you all. Thank you.